Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to add trending fonts in CapCut using your Android device. To get started, open the CapCut app and create a new project. Select your video, then tap Add to import it into the timeline. Next, tap the text option at the bottom of the screen and select Add Text. Type the text you want to display, then tap Font to browse the available font library. Scroll through the list and choose a trending font that matches your video's style. If the font has a download icon, tap it first to download the font before applying it. After selecting your font, you can customize it by changing the size, color, style, spacing, and effects to make your text stand out. Preview your video to make sure the text looks the way you want, then tap the check mark to save your changes. Once you're finished editing, tap Export to save your video with the new font applied. And that's it, you've successfully added trending fonts in CapCut. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.